What is he doing? What is he doing right now? I'm speaking of myself in the third person because it's so wild. Happy Thanksgiving. This is what you want the day after. I mean, you could make a fucking soup, Rachel Ray, but you don't want that. You want these things. Aspect of life. Then we have the warm aspect of life with the room temperature corned beef. Then you got the turkey, the roasted turkey, which is warmed up with this gravy that I've just concocted, created. And then you have that this is getting silly.